So today was a very long day. Look, I'm wearing my shirt. How cute. This is what I wore to work today.
Oh my god, this is such a surprise. I want to know who got it. Oh, I thought it was bigger than this. Dollars. Played me. Okay. I don't see her personality reflected. Look at her bedroom. Professional bowl set.
I didn't order that. That's Kiara ordered that.
Oh. Sometimes things
No,
are
that's
very...
good though. No, that's good.
Yeah, that's cute.
This is where I'm gonna make the mask.
Omega light, baby. It's probably a freaking 12 glass in her.
Yeah.
Oh, that blue is fire. That's for bacteria and acne.
Stop.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I just got ready. I just did like 2 TikToks, so follow me on TikTok. I know I always say that, but hello, I need to know you guys came from YouTube or if you came from TikTok. Comment down below. Anyway, I'm hanging out with my aunt and my cousin today. We're gonna eat, and then I also need to go to like at home. I want to finally return my little like cushion thingy, and then what else? I feel like I need to do other things, but whatever. The point is, I'm vlogging today and I'm bringing you guys along, so let's go. Rise and shine. You gotta fix the back of your hair. Crazy. It got messed up. Oh, right. Yeah, that's why. I had to change my outfit. Either my hair or my purse was like making my whole skin break out crazy. Like it looks like I got the only allergic reaction, and it could be my bag because it was in the same position that my bag was at, or it could be the fact that I put hella hairspray in my hair and now I feel like my hair is making me itch. I don't know, I'm very confused. But we're at the place called At Home to return this, get my $60 back. Where are you guys going? Oh, let's see if I beat them. Look at these chickens. So we just seen these gold and white little tables like to the side of the couch, and then we could put like a plant or something. It's not gonna hide the wire, which is like the goal, but I don't know. It might work depending on the price. So they have this, and I'm thinking about getting it because I just feel like it'll look nice on the little gold table in the waiting room. Titi, I think I'm gonna get this. Instead of more flowers like on that gold thing. I think so too. On the gold table in the waiting room.
Is this whole thing $19.99 or just? Oh yeah. It doesn't come out. I was trying to pull it.
Oh yeah. Should I get it?
Did I see something?
Yeah. Okay, one thing I definitely need, you guys, is a hamper in my room because I'm gonna be going through towels and towels. Let me just put this here. For each client I have, I'm gonna be removing the blanket, the towels, 2 towels per client, so I'm gonna need a hamper. A lot, actually. A lot of things will be going in here. Probably should just get this, to be honest. $10.99. White and pink, and this could go right next to my white table. I think I might get this. Okay, so these are my options. This one looks like this, or this one. Mom! Well, this one's messed up, but I don't know. Yeah. Where are you? Right here. Right here.
A hamper. I saw that.
Which hamper do you like for my room? Because I don't want to use one of those things that they're like, because I'm going to have 2 towels, big towels per person, and a sheet. Hold on, let me hold it up again. I hope this song is not a special song and I get copyrighted. So we have $21.99 and $10.99.
That's already dogged already.
No, this one I know. But that one too, I feel like it gets messed up easily.
Just stick with that.
Yeah, I think I should get this one
Nobody's
too.
really gonna see it, like, it's in the corner.
No, it's gonna be right when you walk in.
Oh, right.
Like
by the
right
door.
there, yeah. But I don't see a problem with this one.
No. It's durable.
This is a body person.
It's
And then
hard.
you could just take this right out. Look.
Yeah,
And carry it.
Oh yeah, so alright, this is the answer.
and take it home with you.
That's true.
Good shit.
Yeah, that's cool. And it's sturdy, like sturdier. Okay, that's weird. The cheaper one is sturdier. Anyway, don't ask questions, just buy it. Sorry. This is actually really cute. Wi-Fi password. If we get our own Wi-Fi, because right now we're just using the Wi-Fi from the lady upstairs, the hair salon. Oh my god, my forehead is so oily. I have oily ass skin. Apparently that keeps you young though, so that's acceptable. What's this? Oh no, definitely not. Oh my god, those are antlers. Oh, right here it says towels. Oh no, this is huge though. We need something for the bathroom to hang up like on the wall. I actually just ordered something to, why can't I talk? To pull out the paper towels in the bathroom after people wash their hands, because I don't think it makes sense to get like a, I don't think it makes sense to get a towel and then everybody's using like the same towels. So I just think like the paper towels that you pull out are good enough. What do you guys think? Should I get a towel for the bathroom or the paper towels? This is really cute. I don't know what it's for, but it is cute. Look at my stuff. Cute. Cute. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is green and this is mustard. Poppin'. In between the bathroom. You know how there's like nothing there?
Yeah.
I'm like recording your titty now. Oh, they still had it. I love this mirror. Do you? No? It's $80, but it's really pretty. Like between the bathroom. I guess not, because nobody's saying anything.
Hilarious. I have it. I'm in each room.
This is scary.
I don't
Isn't
have
this?
an end in my bathroom now.
Yo, your eyelashes look fake. They look so good. Doesn't that look scary?
The cat?
Yeah. Look
So
at
you
this big ass
cats
one.
would have elephants. These are ugly.
Don't talk about elephants like that.
Giraffes are good because they're supposed to be that tall.
Yeah, that's true. I thought I saw something this way that I like. Oh yeah, like this. Look at these things. Cray cray.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Very pretty. So where would you put these things?
I know, right? Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice with like the freaking, the two little ones that were over there.
Yeah.
Like if you had them next to it. And this would be pretty if it was white and gold. How about, don't touch my hamper. How about this?
It's pretty.
I don't know what it is, but because this can cover the wires.
It's nice.
Because even if we get a table, you're still gonna see the wires. Oh my god, look at this rabbit laying down like that.
Oh, like a sexy rabbit.
Yeah. Good night. Okay, so I'm in Queens right now, dropping off my aunt. My cousin Jayla didn't end up coming with us because she had a headache. And I'm tired and hungry. My mom is in Starbucks right now. She's getting us Starbucks, and then we're probably gonna go to Titi's house and have some popcorn and watch a movie.
Watch a movie?
I don't know. Yeah, because like I'm so starving. You?
I'm hungry too.
Me too. I'm like looking at you like.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's alright. I'm
Please
just.
talk to the people in the camera.
10 hours later. Look at her. She's coming finally. Such a beauty queen. Oh, thank you, G. Yeah, you really did. Just got to Marshall's for sheets, okay? and towels. And this lady is here.
No, right? It's too like.
She's trying on a blazer. We do need a blazer though. I don't have one. Oh, by the way, you guys, I did my hair myself. So how cool is that? I bought my hair from Amazon. It's coming out. I had it for a few days now. Time to take it off. Oh yeah. Doesn't fit. Time to take these out as soon as I get home probably. For dry, color treated, damaged hair. Repairs, restores. I don't know, I just saw this and it looked like it was good, but what about this? Oops, oops, oops. Hair mask, color safe, smoothing and nourishing formula for damaged and dry hair. Why everything gotta be about dry hair? So far I got these nail brush cleaners so I can wash my tools, and then I have this hair mask. Stop, look at how cute. Okay, this one is like $2 cheaper from the one that I bought at home, but this is so pretty. I might just have to get both. And then I see a pink one back there. Like, are you kidding me? Hold on. Oh my goodness, the struggle. And this one is, it's not that cute anymore, forget it. And when I started moving it around, pieces started falling, so that's a no. But this one, this is a yes. Snatchies. I'm just gonna voice over it later because I don't want to be alone right now. Okay, you guys, so for the rest of this video, I am just going to be setting everything up that I bought from Marshall's and at home. This is just like the coffee table area. And okay, so the one that I'm about to put on the left side, I do go back later on to the store and buy another one to put on the right side, just so they can match up. But I was obsessed with that, and I believe it was $16.99. Super cute. And then the one that I have on the right, I'm wondering where should I put that one. I'm not sure, but I do love that. That right there is going to be where the tissues are going to come out of, and in fact they're already up. Now that I'm recording this video, I placed it up yesterday. That's my hamper, so cute. And now I'm just going to set up my machine and all the appliances that go with it. I also forgot, in the video, I purchased this fur from Amazon. I don't know if you remember, but the fur chair that I did purchase from somebody, it had like reddish, brownish stains on it. And I was like, okay, I have no idea how to remove this. So I'm just going to buy fur and figure out how to cover it myself. So I do take like a hot glue gun and like my, what's it called? My little knife, my little razor. And I figure it out. And I think it looks so cute now. So you guys will also see that in this video. So before I go, I do want to ask you guys your opinion if you did make it this far in the video. I was wondering if I should be filming, since I'm not going to film as much as I was before, should I upload like one video a week of me just showing a bunch of the things that I did that week, if I even did anything. So it'll just be like a weekly vlog instead of a daily vlog. Let me know what you guys think about that. And yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!